That was cool. That's okay.
That wasn't exactly what I meant to do.
Pretty little jumpy dog. Oh, I love you.
Wicket, what you got there? What you got?
Nice job, honey. Nice job, honey. You have a boa! Avery, what are you gonna do? You should try to wake him up. Jesse, wake up! A slap on the bum will always wake him up.
How cute is it?
I slapped you on the bum and it made you woke up.
Saw that. You wanna go play dress up at Grandma's house?
I think she's playing dress up here with a boa. Press down with your hands to make an imprint. Good job! Alright, now let go. Pretty good! Pretty good! I like it. I'm taking a video of you. Did you know that?
Can I see?
Yeah, of course you can see. See? See? Now you can see my shoe. Now it's my other shoe. You want to see the video that I just took?